You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this Japanese word? This is Japanese for Japan, the country. So how do you say Japan in Japanese? Japanese don't say Japan, they say Nihon. Some may call the country Nippon as well, but the most common name for Japan in Japanese is Nihon. It means the sun's origin. Nihon is Japan in Japanese. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.